The coronavirus outbreak sent shockwaves through Wall Street today.
And now there are fears that economies across the globe could take a big hit if supply chains and manufacturers are disrupted. Fox 5's Christine Medella joins us in studio to explain.
Here's a look at the New York Stock Exchange closing board. Stocks on Wall Street plunged today. As soon as the markets opened this morning, they never recovered and finished the day deep in the red. Investors took part in a day-long sell-off that wiped out all the gains the Dow has made so far this year. That spike in the number of coronavirus cases is raising fears of a pandemic and ups the stakes for businesses and investors. We talked to the director at UNLV's Center for Economic Research to get a better understanding just how that virus affects the global economy.
It slows down the movement of goods. If people can't get to work, if they can't do their jobs, then we interrupt the supply chains. And here in the U.S., we rely on a lot of goods being imported to use in production. And when the supply chains are disrupted, that affects the economy.
Professor Miller went on to say a recession is not something most analysts are expecting. However, if the virus does turn into a pandemic and interrupts that supply chain, we would see a cut in the economic growth rate. John.